Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is broccoli cheddar soup. It's creamy, flavorful and just a little bit sinful. So let's get started. The detailed ingredients will be in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. In a deep pot we'll start by adding in butter and then white onions. Shortly after we'll add in the broccoli stems that we've chopped up into small pieces. That way no part of the broccoli goes to waste. We'll stir and leave them to cook for 5 minutes until they've softened, then we'll add in a spoon of garlic paste and stir and cook for another couple of minutes. We'll add in our all-purpose flour to thicken things up and cook until we make sure that the floury taste and smell has been eliminated before going further. We'll add in a generous amount of sweet smoked paprika, or a regular paprika will do, then we'll stir some more. We'll add in the milk, which will eventually thicken up over time due to the flour and butter already being there in the pot. Then we'll add in the broccoli florets and shredded carrots. We'll season generously with freshly cracked black pepper and salt, then mix everything well. We'll add in some hot water from the kettle to thin out the soup and let it cook for longer. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes because we don't want our broccoli to be too tough still and too raw. But it's up to you actually. Add in some more black pepper and salt because the water will dilute the flavors. And finally, we add the shredded sharp cheddar cheese for that final touch of deliciousness. We'll stir some more and let it cook for another 5 minutes, but basically we're done with our soup. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. Give us a like if you liked it and subscribe for more. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!